Hey, it's Cyrus. Today I asked my mom if I could guide her through a meditation, and she said yes. We sat down. I said, "How would you like to start?" And she started spontaneously guiding me through a meditation. And I found it so profound and effective that I'm going to share it with you now, word for word, so you can enjoy it too. So start by sitting upright in a chair and make sure your lower back is pressed up against the chair so that you have good posture, and you can gently rest your eyes open on a spot in front of you with a soft gaze. Notice what your intention is for this session, who in your life that you love that you might want to dedicate this meditation to. And you can either rest your palms on your knees or your thighs facing downwards if you want more energy, or you can rest them facing upwards if you feel relaxed and good already. And just notice what that point of contact feels like, your hands resting on your legs for a moment. And now notice the flow of air going in and out of the nostrils at its own pace. Listen to what the breath has to tell you. And notice the sensations inside of the mouth and the top of the head, the forehead, and the back of the head, the neck, the throat, the front of your shoulders, and your upper back, your middle back, your chest, your abdomen, your lower back, your hips, your pelvic floor, the front of your thighs, and your hamstrings, your knees, and the backs of your knees, the front of your shins, and the backs of your calves, your ankles, heels, soles of your feet, tops of your feet, and your toes. And now bring your attention to the front of your shoulders and your chest. And feel how you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. All this pressure, all these things that you're carrying on your shoulders. And just for now, during this meditation, allow yourself to take that off your shoulders and put it down, just for now. Imagine yourself handing it over to God or the universe. Welcome the lightness that comes with sharing that burden. And thank you, God, for sharing that burden with us. And just allow yourself to be in that state of lightness and enjoy that in this space for as long as you want.